girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. This will be a very quick one. Bryce Savage, Netflix, you know about that guy. He is also Bryce Savage. So, Back to Me, a great song, very guitarish, 4 chords, that's it. Before we move on with this tutorial, Garden Guitar 6 strings ago has a brother as well. That is the new channel. And yes, so I want your support, guys. You need to help me out to grow that channel. Link up here somewhere. You're gonna learn a full song from A to Z, chord shown on the screen. I will not talk a word, I will not speak anything, just play for you. You follow along and learn. Great way to learn songs. So if you want to help me out on this channel and in my life and everything, go subscribe to that channel. Now let's focus on Bryce. Back to me, sorry. No need for any capo here. We have 4 chords: F, C, A minor, and G. So we're gonna start with F, with the bar chord. You have this index finger on the 1st fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. That's the 1st chord. Over to C now. So that goes 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we have the A minor, and that goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the G, and that goes 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Some technical stuff here for you to have with you, some hacks to make the chord switches easier is from F, you're gonna keep that 3rd fret A string. You have that with your ring finger. You keep that and go to C, okay? You don't have to release everything and try to find all the fingers for the C. You have it already as a base to build upon. So keep that there and go to C. And from C to A minor, you already have the mid finger and index finger on place for the A minor. So you just go down with your little ring finger, place them between there on the 2nd fret G string, and you have the A minor. You don't have to release it and find A minor. You just go from that to this. Okay, some hacks there, easy. Now let's learn the strumming. If you go to F again, you have a total of 8 downs. It goes like this. If you notice, I separate the bass strings from the top strings. So you're gonna highlight down number 3, down number 6, and down number 8 in the way that you play on the top strings, the higher notes. Okay, all the downs you play on the bass. So that will be bass, bass, top, bass, bass, top, bass, top. 3rd, 6th, and 8th on the top. So that is 1 round. You're gonna play 1 round of these per chord: F1, C1, A minor 1, G1, like this. And that's it, guys. Told you this will be a quick one. Bryce Savage, Back to Me. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. That's my mission. Till next time, play tuned.